How to buy Cavada token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I am a professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check their account and keep following their updates about this token. And don't forget to go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have 208 members on there. So as you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, it is simple. Click here to copy the token address. And remember, this token address is under the Binance Smart Chain. Now open your wallet wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the BNB chain as a network from here. Now click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added called Cavada. So after you find it, click on it and here click on swap. Switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT, of course, on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. In a while, you will be able to see how much you receive that token. As you can see, so this is it. Now after that, click here on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Cavada token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.